and there are a lot of topics to discuss. I'm actually uh, confused as to where to begin because I have wanted this so badly to come together and ek dusre ka tang खींचना, banter, and call it whatever you want. So uh, without uh, would- without deliberating on where to start, let's start with Liverpool. Let's
Yeah.
start with Zubimendi rejecting Liverpool. Let's start with their fans, outburst on
Mm-hmm.
social media rather. So I would start with Avay Jogekar, long time man. How are you? And what about Liverpool? Because there are a lot of changes at Liverpool, starting with the manager. Klopp leaves,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm pretty sure you must have a lot of thoughts in your mind running. So yeah, just begin, man. Just
Ah, it's good to be back. Quite honestly, it's been quite a long time that we hung out also.
yep,
And talking about football is like therapy, right? And when you miss, like when you don't do that for a long time, you just miss it. So just glad to be back and glad to be talking to you guys.
yeah,
And with
likewise, bro.
Liverpool, with Liverpool, just so many things, There's so many things. Like we are fresh off the wound, let's just say, with Klopp. But I think the good thing is that the way he's transitioned his duties to Slot, is that we don't really feel that anxious or anything. When he left, it felt like okay, he was fine with leaving, and it felt like that we have had this wonderful time with him. And obviously, everybody knew that it was going to come to an end. Nobody wanted that to happen. We wanted him to have a lifetime contract and stuff like that because he's just
Hmm.
having so much fun. You just
Yep.
don't want it to end, but you always know that it's going to end someday. But we have had some amazing time with Klopp, and I think I'm just grateful to be part of that particular era where we could enjoy that football and win those trophies, and just like soak in that excitement.
Okay.
But now things have changed quite a lot. The team is still the
Slot.
same. Yeah,
He'll be slotted.
Slot is in the house,
He'll
and
slot in.
yeah, the preseason has been going quite well, which which actually our preseasons are generally not that good. So I don't know
That's
what to
when you
make of it.
perform well in the league.
Yeah.
But if the
Not
preseasons are
exactly.
good, maybe
Not
maybe not
exactly.
anymore.
Yeah. We have won more bigger trophies than you, but okay.
Hmm.
So
Whatever.
but
Let's talk about this season.
yeah, this season is going to be complicated. This is going to be a rebuilding, but not in the way that it was a rebuilding last year, where we were actually rebuilding with the players and we had gaps into our positions. And now the transition was about how to make these guys play the new game and all that stuff, how to get them to understand that they have to play for the badge. That challenge has gone for most part now. Everybody is already integrated. They understand what it is to play for the club like Liverpool. But the coach is new, so obviously there's adjustment period between the coach and the players. The style that we used to play is going to be quite a lot of different with Slot. What Slot has recently said is that he would like to control the game but create the chaos in between. Which what I would translate into is that we are going to play a lot of possession game, and out of that we will try to create chances and then we'll score. It's not going to be that heavy metal kind of gameplay where we just cut through middle of the ground and just do
I
this.
feel one thing I feel about Slot is that uh, it's a totally different way. I guess
Hmm,
it's a hybrid of how Pep Klopp
you
plays
can kind
from
of
a
say that, yeah.
external fan, yeah.
Hmm,
But it is only time will tell that will it work or will it not work. When Pep came in, everyone said what position it won't work in English
yeah.
football. He proved
Hmm,
everyone wrong.
yep.
We all know that. Now everyone's just waiting, even Liverpool fans included. Will that work? Will I know you've scored tons of goals. You thrashed us 3-0 because
Hmm,
I feel in that game as well in the preseason we were taken aback. Eric Ten Hag also was he had experienced lot in the Eredivisie league, right?
hmm,
Even after that, he was a little taken aback. We did not have a full strength squad, etc., etc. Let's not delve into that, but we were thrashed. That's the bottom line, and it's exciting to watch. But when the Premier League actually begins, it's a different beast. In
that's
my
true.
experience,
Hmm,
pre-season is thrown
hmm.
out of the window. I would rather choose to lose all the games and start winning
Yeah,
because under Ten Hag we have won a lot of preseason games and not started well. But yeah,
yeah.
I give it back to you to
Yeah.
explain about Slot. Yeah,
Yeah.
go ahead.
So say obviously you're right. Preseason means nothing for what is going to come for Premier League. The only thing you can probably be happy about is that your players are fit, right?
Yep.
Even if you lose, even if you win, if you can see those sparks
Mm,
in the gameplay and all that stuff, you're generally happy. We have lost we have lost these preseason matches, but we
mm,
could see those moments and all that, and we could see that the players are fit. We have won this time, and the same thing is true this year as well. That I see some of the players being really fit. Salah looks really good. Harvey Elliott looks like he's having time of his life. And other players are also looking. They are fit. Some players need a little bit more fitness and all that stuff. But as season starts, that starts keeps happening slowly. I'm not too much worried about that. We have a great team, bar a number 6 actually, which is where
mm,
I'm most worried. But for rest of the thing, rest of the place, we have a good squad. Maybe a little bit depth would be nice. But we can play the league. We can play. Uh, we have Champions League this year, so we can go maybe play Champions League in a nice way as well.
mm,
What I'm worried about is that see, Slot is new for us, so how nicely he is able to get these players understand that okay, that how he wants to play.
mm.
That's first thing. Second thing,
Okay.
he since he's new, obviously for the league as well. So we're going to have some upsets in a good way for us. That we're going to play a kind of a game that maybe people do not understand. People uh, consider a certain kind of gameplay, expect a certain kind of gameplay from
Mm,
Liverpool. Right
mm.
now, it's going to be different. So there's going to be kind of a that uh,
But looks
shocking
like the
value
players are
basically.
enjoying it.
Yeah, players are enjoying it. So the game that we are playing is relatively so. Any Liverpool fan who has watched like who has been watching games for last 7 years
Yep.
would call it boring. But in the end, we have good control and we are able to create chances and everything. So
Yes.
on a broader sense, I'd say that it's a good thing. Players are also enjoying their position. Players are also enjoying playing the
Yep.
game, which is awesome. Everything is good.
Yep.
But the strength of this Liverpool team, why we were called mentality monsters at one place, was when the chips are down, how we
Yep.
react to that. And it was completely
Mm,
because of Jurgen Klopp, how we were reacting to those particular situations. We have great players, but the mental strength of players and the mental set of players depends a lot more on how coach is going to basically direct all those things. And
mm.
that's what I want to see basically with Slot. That when
Okay.
the chips are going to be down, how things
Mm.
are going to be.
So,
So I have a positive outlook, quite honestly,
uh,
about this particular season, but I don't have expectations. I'm not
okay.
expecting
So,
top of the league this year. Let's just say that.
okay. So, Amit, I just wanted to ask you, what did you, I mean, I'm pretty sure you've seen you've seen quite enough of Slot, and also based on Jogikar's opinion about what to expect this particular season from Liverpool. What is your idea of where Liverpool might finish? Will they blow teams away? Will they struggle? Or they it will be like a complete reset from the Klopp era. What do you make of this arrangement between
Uh,
Klopp and Slot?
I
Sorry,
actually need
Liverpool and
to. I
Slot.
actually have to see how how Liverpool goes in, because see they have been with Klopp for a really long time, right? They have somewhere. See, sometimes these things becomes muscle memory, right?
Hmm.
I have seen with my team as well that somehow few players are there who by their muscle memory starts defending things because of Mourinho's and Conte's, right? So how will Slot manage these things, right? Because they will press aggressively. They will start pressing, and maybe some muscle memory triggers, and they
Trent
start
Alexander
doing.
Arnold's
Yeah,
will just
will
go on
will
the
go
wing.
and like in the final third and start doing stuff. So those kind of balance you have to see, and also what is the reaction from the fans if, let's say, few matches they lose, right?
Mm,
Because like, see, in other teams, you see ki a manager is shifted majorly because he was not performing well. So there's not that much pressure. So, but Jurgen Klopp, when he left the team, it's not a bad team, right? And if results does not come, it would be much more harder on Slot than on any other manager who comes in into PL. That's
mm,
my
Hmm.
opinion.
mm,
But in general, the gameplay is good. I think slot ball, as people call it, is entertaining, not as entertaining as Jurgen Klopp's football, but yeah, it's a possession-based football, as Abhay mentioned, and few direct tactics as well. I've seen in the preseason, like they have been converting goals in like 3-4 pass and goal. So those
अपना
kind of
अपनी
things
टीम
are
का
also there.
प्रीसीजन नहीं देख रहा था क्या?
हाँ? अपनी टीम का नहीं देखा लिवरपूल का देखा अपनी टीम हार रही थी ना, तो मैं और क्या मैं
बायर्न से
प्रीसीजन
दो
कौन
दो बार
देखता
पिली है।
ये
कौन
किसके
देखता
सिर
है
पे
भाई
लेन लोग? मैं
प्रीसीजन
नहीं देखा, किसके सिर पे
बायर्न
लेन?
से
वो
दो दो बार खेले हैं प्रीसीजन।
भाई सेम बकचोदी यार, सेम बकचोदी। सेट पीस गोल, 3-2 से हारे, 2 सेट पीस गोल। मतलब
बढ़िया।
Hey,
वर्स्ट है,
by the
बट ठीक
way,
है, कमिंग बैक टू लिवरपूल।
Kane ने स्कोर किया कि नहीं किया?
नहीं।
अबे।
Okay, so
हाँ।
okay. Now coming back a little to touch upon the important topic of transfers, because Liverpool still have yet to
Hmm.
sign a player in
Hmm.
the window, and there is this important factor. You know, start of the season, there were two important topics about the contract situation with Salah. Not two, rather three: Salah, Van Dijk, and Trent Alexander-Arnold. Okay, Salah's situation is resolved. He is going to stay. I mean, with a bald head, he feels he's going to score a lot of goals. I guess he's done that in preseason. But what about the contract situation with Trent Alexander-Arnold and Van Dijk? I mean, are they still in slots plans, or how do you see this, unfolding towards the end of the window?
Transfers is kind of actually a curious case in for Liverpool this year.
The curious
Uh,
case of Liverpool and Slotty.
Yes, every year we have this transfer situations where we do not like what is happening. Okay, every year I see this. But there's this thing that is going on in our fan base. Okay, that the heat from Klopp's corpse hasn't even gone cold yet, and we are selling his kids. So basically, the young kids that he used to give chances, they are getting sold here and there. And it seems like that slots. A lot of those kids are not in slots plan. I don't know how youth system is going to work out and how the opportunities youth is going to work out. But that I think is a different matter. And for a long duration, maybe he has a certain kind of player in his mind, and he'll
Mhm.
develop those kind of players. That is fine. We'll see. With Virgil and Trent, there is not a lot of information, but just from the way
Yeah.
that at least we are playing, Trent is not going to leave for most part. Liverpool is it's not a Stevie G situation where like we are not doing enough to stay competitive, and
Mm.
Trent is quite loyal to the badge, so I don't see him going anywhere. With Virgil, he's kind of he's Virgil, man. He's going to be
I feel his
in the
best
plans for
years are
everybody.
past him.
But he's not. I mean, defenders have this really longevity when it comes to like their age, and I
Yeah,
still feel like he has a lot to offer. Last year wasn't a bad season for Virgil, so
Yeah.
he's not
Even
bad
good
enough to
enough
be
Virgil
out of.
is good for PL.
Yeah. Good enough Virgil is still a lot better than every all
he's
other
been
defenders
found
actually.
out and caught napping a lot of times. There's a compilation
It
of that.
happens.
So
Yeah, that's the thing. For the whole season, you make your 5 compilations, you'd be happy about it. But the fact is that you take some of the defenders out, and he's still one of the best defenders in the league. Who are you going to replace him with? That's the
yeah,
thing. So
I mean, you have to
I don't.
plan ahead because it's a new manager. But that's Liverpool's problem. But
Yeah. I
I
mean, we'll
want.
probably find a defender, but that's not this year.
But I
But
have
the
a very
biggest
bad
problem.
feeling. I have a very bad feeling that FSG, FSG,
Ha.
because of Klopp, right?
Hmm.
Because of Klopp, all the sins of these Americans, FSG, Fenway Sports Group, have been hidden. And मेरे
Yes,
को
that
लगता
is
है ना, ये
true.
जो
That is
data
true.
analytics करके they have brought Arne Slot. I
Hmm.
feel they have brought in because he can be the easy scapegoat or the target. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है. It's a
I
theory.
want to talk about that actually, and
Yeah,
it's the change
please
of
go ahead.
structure. It is
Yep.
change of structure that worries me a little bit, and the
Change
way
of structure
Slot
in
is,
what sense? Because
in a
Michael
sense,
Edwards is back. There
no,
is
no,
no
change of
change.
structure in a sense, the power that has been taken away from the manager actually.
Okay. Basically,
So
he's a coach,
he's a
not a
coach.
manager. Hmm.
He's a coach. On maybe on the surface you would
Slutty
think what's
coach.
the difference,
Huh.
right? But you on the deeper end you understand that he doesn't have too much control over what kind of transfer he wants or even how many transfer he gets, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So the thing is that he has to rely a lot on Hughes to get those players in,
Hmm.
and FSG can dictate a lot more
Hmm.
about how much they want to sanction. Now
Acha.
the thing is that if we are going to play with the rules that they have been playing till now when it comes to transfer and all. Klopp's handling of the players that he got and take making the best of those players hidden, as you have talked about already, has hidden so many things about the way that they have tackled these kind of
Bro, these
situations.
guys are worse than Glazers. Me as a United
They
fan,
are
I'm
quite
saying.
honestly quite honestly not
भाई,
good.
Glazers बहुत पैसा खर्च किए. बहुत पैसा.
Glazer spent
Even
like
after
anything
taking
actually.
dividends,
Hmm.
they, भाई, we broke the world record fee for Pogba under
अरे तुम
Glazers.
You don't have to talk about this, but you just look at this net
Seriously,
spends,
man.
and United is on top, one of the top teams to spend actually. So you guys have gotten like gotten Glazers who spend recklessly, but at least they spend, right? For
Yeah,
FSG, the problem is they are too frugal when it comes to spending. This year we have not spent anything. Okay,
yeah,
we are going to be in positive net spend. What the fuck are we going to do with that? The thing is that we want players, right? And the number six situation has not resulted this second year actually. The number
correct,
situation has not resolved yet. And you can say that okay, we targeted Zubimendi, and he's not coming now, and all that kind of thing. That is a completely another fiasco. But it seems like that we had him, and but he wants to stay with his boyhood club no matter what. And
correct.
if we do not have a backup for that, then it's up to FSG and the team, the transfer team. It's not up to him. He might
Yep,
reject, right? Why are you expecting that he's going to always accept that?
correct,
So
correct.
if we don't have number six this year, this is going to be such a bad transfer window for us, and that is
Mm,
going to impact where we actually land in the positions actually.
correct.
So
But
So,
what do you think like
hmm,
is the closest signing right now for Liverpool? Like it's there has been no signing right yet.
let's
And
not talk
is
about
there
there's no
Zubimendi.
anything
there's no
Zubi.
anything
news.
where
That's the thing.
you have gone
There's no
close?
news.
हाँ
Are
यार,
they
लिवरपूल फैन यार. जुबी भाई गाना बना दिया था भाई.
we
मतलब,
get
are
we
they
get
like
That's
is
the
the new
beauty of it,
structure?
we get overexcited about everything, and then when things don't work out, we go completely down, and we would
Dude, you heard of Dan Goldbridge, right? Your favorite United
ha,
podcaster.
yeah, yeah.
Bro, you know
Goldberg.
what he commented? Look
Nah?
at Liverpool.
Uh,
One day, they take one day, Ineos are shit. Okay,
okay.
the new structure is shit. Look at Liverpool. They sign a target like this. One day the
Mm.
news comes, next hour the player is here. तो ये पता है जितना लिवरपूल फैन बेस ट्रॉल नहीं हुआ ना, ये अपना
उतना
खुद
वो
का डैन गोलब्रिज ट्रॉल हुआ है
By the
भाई
way,
उस
with the way we have done signings, by the way, Goldberg sometimes can just go completely wrong. I
And he
agree
has
with
the
you.
most supporters. Please,
Yeah.
guys, subscribe to Beyond Injury Time. We don't talk nonsense.
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
Yes.
So, um, the transfer thing is a little bit shaky for us actually, and
Yep.
and if we don't, obviously I've already said, so with Zubi, we don't have any other transfer lined up, and
Mm.
I don't feel like that we actually need any big transfer in any other position as well. So I'm not that much worried about any other position. Maybe Trent needs a
Striker
backup. Trent needs a backup.
Nunez चलेगा क्या slot को?
कोई बात नहीं देख लेंगे नहीं चलेंगे
Nunez
तो फिर
also may be out of his plans,
might be
because.
actually,
Hmm.
might be.
But
We'll
I want to
see.
ask,
Hmm.
we've discussed all this, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
The final question is, where do you see Liverpool finishing up in the PL season? Straight answer.
Three.
Third.
Third.
मतलब you're discrediting basically the other teams.
No, I'm
Okay,
not
that's fine.
discrediting other teams actually. Even when we have a new
Why?
coach,
But
see, and
when you're
having a
talking
new coach is
about
not a
like
bad team.
you said
Bad
right, you
thing.
don't have a squad depth this season. A
Wait,
lot of squad depth.
that's why
You're
I'm saying actually.
fighting for CL. You're fighting on all fronts. Do you still think third is manageable?
You criticize
Third,
Spurs can't do it because they don't have the squad depth, but you are saying
no.
Liverpool
I
can do it
criticize.
without the squad depth.
Dude, we have better squad depth than
Oh,
Spurs. Like your
please.
squad depth is
They
not
have
that bad.
Solanke, Don
क्या
Yeah.
बात कर रहे
Solanke,
हो? क्या
Now,
बात कर रहे
now
हो?
it's a different
मैं
thing
नहीं
that
मानता.
now that they have Solanke, it's a completely different ball game
Yeah.
altogether. But
मैं
before
नहीं
that,
मानता.
Do
but
you
before
know
that,
Liverpool had Solanke once upon a time?
I know.
Yeah, young Solanke.
Young Solanke. Yeah.
Young Solanke.
See, as
Okay. Uh,
we have
okay.
enough players, is what I feel.
Third.
Yeah.
Third in the PL.
Third is
Okay,
what
that's
I
your
see. Yeah,
prediction. Final.
that is, by
Okay.
the way, more of an optimistic prediction. Because,
Pessimistic.
no, optimistic actually.
He's optimistic about
I'm being
Liverpool's
optimistic.
position, right?
No, I'm being
अच्छा,
optimistic.
third is the
Yeah.
best position
That is
Liverpool
the
can
best
have.
position, is what
correct.
I see. Yeah.
Ah,
Correct.
okay,
So
got it.
now coming to Spurs. मजा तो वहीं आता है Spurs में.
Spurs तो मजा
So
तो वहीं आता है.
coming to Spurs,
आओ मेरे
our
जख्मों पे
big
Yeah.
नमक
boss.
छिड़को.
So
हाँ,
Okay. With Spurs.
I think coach for Spurs, and the new
With
season for
Spurs,
Spurs.
like we all know, right? Ange talks a lot, mate.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
he's been talking since preseason, this,
Oh,
that.
is it? Oh, I don't know that. This is interesting.
And ball is
I've been
back, my
quoting
boys.
every signing that is made. I'm looking at
East
this.
वाला
This
cup
is the
namre.
profile I want. He's talking in terms like how you would read in an article. Generally, managers don't give that much insights. We looked at the data, this, that, but he's been talking a lot, mate.
Mm-hmm.
So somehow, for
Mate.
some odd reason,
Uh-huh.
Spurs aren't supposedly our competition and all that. We don't have that kind of rivalry कि उनको हराना है.
Uh-huh.
Like they have with Arsenal or Chelsea.
Mm-hmm.
But somehow I want to beat Spurs because of this guy sitting right here, gloating.
What a
Okay.
year,
क्यों
man. What a
भाई?
year. Like this is the
भाई
like this time
रोलर
last year,
कोस्टर बोलता है इसको.
Rajesh was one of the biggest supporter of Ange, like even bigger supporter of,
Amit
than Amit, I
cockiness
feel, yeah.
has turned me.
like like Ange ball was something that Rajesh used to look forward to, and now he's
Not
suddenly
look forward to. I thought he could do something with Spurs that other
भाई
managers in the
ठीक है,
recent past
जब
he
haven't
कोई
did,
done.
he did, he did.
कुछ अच्छा कर रहा हो
What
तो
he did?
ऐसा दुश्मन
कहाँ
बन
जीता
जाता है.
ट्रॉफी?
भाई
अरे
ट्रॉफी होने भी तो चाहिए
भाई
जीतने के लिए, किस क्या जीतते हैं हम लोग?
रुक जा
अरे
भाई,
प्रीमियर
रुक
क्या
जा.
लीग.
क्या एक दिन में मिलता क्या?
ओके अमित.
वाह,
टेना को
एक
कितने
दिन
साल हो गए?
में.
ओए टेना को कितने साल हो गए,
हाँ,
राजेश?
टेन हाग ने जीत ली प्रीमियर लीग. हाँ,
भाई जीता
ठीक है,
तो एटलीस्ट.
वॉट एवर.
मतलब बंदे
Yeah,
को
Amit,
पूरे का
go
पूरा
ahead.
ट्रांसफर स्ट्रक्चर
What's the?
चेंज चाहिए भाई.
I don't want
हाँ,
to take the
क्वेश्चन
stage
क्या है?
away from you.
Yeah,
I don't
what's the
want to take the
question?
stage away from you. I
Hmm.
just want to. I just want to learn from you as a fan as to um, how do you see this particular preseason, starting with the preseason, or how the season is building up, right? How do you see things different from last season? What are the areas you're trying to plug holes on? What are the areas and just focusing on to improve? I know a certain signings that you have made, but you as a fan will be able to give a broader picture, right? I just wanted to ask, how has the season been?
So this sorry, transfer window, right?
Yeah,
Or the
transfer
season.
window,
हाँ,
preseason. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
preseason.
Yeah.
So there are pros and cons. There are both for this preseason. Major con is that the positions we needed we did not get.
Hmm.
ठीक है. The other thing is, मतलब as you were talking, कि we are
From
more
transfer point of view, you mean, right? Transfer position,
transfer
like okay.
position point of view.
Mm-hmm.
ठीक
Okay,
है,
okay.
स्ट्राइकर might not be my first, like सबसे बड़ा दिक्कत नहीं था वो कभी भी. There
Richie,
are,
you love Richie. Yeah.
हाँ, रिची भाई मतलब है, रिचार्लिसन कैन प्ले, सॉन कैन प्ले, एंड इवन वर्नर कैन प्ले. ही हैज प्लेड इन द पास्ट. So we have people who can play as a striker,
Okay.
Hmm.
right? But what we don't have, basically, the idea is that the issue last season majorly was around that we were leaky in the defense, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what did we do to fix it? So
Mm-hmm.
majorly what I wanted was a better CDM who can make sure that there are no counter attacks happening, because at the end वही हो रहा था पूरा सीजन कि you go
Mm-hmm.
ahead, पूरा चार्ज करते, then one counter
Hmm.
attack and एक गोल हो जाता है. ठीक है,
Bissouma
एक वो
and Sar were not reliable in that regard.
बिजुमा ही खेला. सार तो नॉर्मली नंबर 8 ही खेल रहा था, बट
Mm-hmm.
बिजुमा वाज देयर. बेंटेंकर आधा सीजन इंजर्ड था. मे बी ही इज रिलाइंग ऑन हिम कि इस बार बेंटेंकर कैन पुल ऑफ सम
Okay.
मैजिक.
Hmm.
मे बी, मतलब वी
Okay.
हैव प्लेयर्स बट दे वर नॉट शोइंग अप इन द लास्ट सीजन. तो हो
Okay.
सकता है कि दे विल बिकम बेटर. वन वाज दैट. देन लेफ्ट बैक वी डिड नॉट हैव अ बैकअप. बेन डेविस खेलता है,
Hmm.
ठीक है, विच इज नॉट गुड इनफ, क्योंकि आप
Hmm.
नहीं कर
Mm-hmm.
सकते वो
Hmm.
चीजें जो व्हाट एंज वांट्स टू डू. दैट वाज अ
Mm-hmm.
बिगर
Correct.
थिंग कि जैसे उडोगी इंजर होता है हमारी टीम पूरी पूरी कोलैप्स होती नजर आने लगती है कि भाई लेफ्ट साइड में बच ही नहीं सकते हम लोग.
Yes.
देयर
Mm-hmm.
इज अ, मतलब वो सिंगल पॉइंट ऑफ फेलियर बन रहा है सिस्टम में हम लोग
समझ
के.
गया.
अरे
एंड
क्या
देयर इज
बात
नो
बोल दिया
बैकअप
भाई.
स्टिल. देयर इज
Mm-hmm.
नो
दिल जीत लिया भाई
बैकअप
तूने.
फॉर इट स्टिल.
Yes.
ठीक है. राइट बैक पे एमरसन था, उसको बेच लिया. अभी आर्ची ग्रे को लाए, होपफुली ही विल स्लॉट इन.
Okay.
And
Okay.
now they are playing around with Jet Spence and Archie Gray. मतलब I'm thinking they are doing makeshift again for the setup, which will collapse again अगर injuries होती
Hmm.
हैं. Still, if we face
Mm-hmm.
injuries through the backline, तो basically जो हमारा बैक डिफेंस का problem है, that was not because our defense is not good enough. Our backup
Okay.
defense is not good enough.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever my whole 5 people का backline played, they played really well last season. तो
अच्छा.
किसी ने वो fill किया नहीं,
Okay.
right? And attack में,
Mm-hmm.
yes, we
Okay.
wanted somebody. Solanki आया, I am more than happy with it. But and हाँ, the pro side is कि they are investing in the like fresh crop right now. कि young players ला रहे हैं. This Archie Gray is somebody who has played really good in championship. This Lucas Bergwall guy, I think, is a star in the making. तो
Okay.
players are there which are really good, which is a fresh crop of, but they cannot make any difference right now, is what I feel. Maybe they can shine, they can not, but they are like दो सीजन, 2 साल 3 साल के बाद they will become a
Yep.
proper good player. तो इस साल क्या, मतलब what should I expect from my team? I did not see much improvement apart
अच्छा.
from Solanke getting
So
added. I
going
don't
into the
see.
new season, you're not entirely satisfied.
No,
with
I'm
your
not
team.
satisfied with my team. Yeah.
So
Well,
what players have you signed? You have signed Solanke. You have
Yeah,
signed a young
how
guy,
much did you spend on Solanke?
65 million.
65 million.
Isn't
They
that
paid the
high?
release clause. They paid the release
Okay.
clause,
भाई
and
Okay.
that's quite a
striker
hefty
है.
sum. I
Hmm.
was questioning you, right? Will
Hmm.
Daniel Levy support Ange
Hmm.
in bringing that star marquee signing, right?
Hmm.
And you went ahead and done it. But I heard Ange say one thing. It was a difficult deal, and in the through the back channels, you were working on it since a long time because the normal reporters
See,
had not
I
reported it.
agree with it. कि we have certainly improved our first 11 with
No, no, I'm
adding
not asking about
Solanke.
that. The
Hmm.
question here is, if you paid eventually the release clause, why is that man and saying we were working on it since a long time?
Because
You just paid the release clause.
Levy never wants to give the release clause, right? They
अच्छा,
worked and they never वो केव नहीं किए
मतलब
तो
वो
he
लेवी से लड़
played.
रहा था.
हाँ लेवी नहीं बेसिकली हाँ लेवी 40 मिलियन करके गया होगा कि भाई डिस्काउंट चाहिए.
Okay, but
Just
उसके बाद
eventually
because
रिलीज
there's
ज्यादा ही
क्लॉज.
पे
a
करके आया.
हाँ
just
एट द
because
एंड
there's a
रिलीज
release
क्लॉज
clause,
पे
no,
किया.
doesn't mean you have to pay for it. So maybe for him, Solanke, actually Solanke had a fantastic season last year. If he did not have that,
Absolutely.
nobody would have paid his release clause.
Yeah, that's
Hmm.
because there is
भाई
a dearth of strikers in the market actually
Hmm.
who
Hmm.
can
भाई
be available.
स्ट्राइकर का पैसा भाई 60 मिलियन में रिचार्लिसन ही आया था तो
हम्म,
मतलब ठीक है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है
स्ट्राइकर
क्या?
के लिए थोड़ा सा आप एक्स्ट्रा एक टैक्स देते हो विच इज
हम्म.
फाइन. मतलब हॉयलैंड के लिए भी भाई लोग ने दिया था
हम तो
कितना
ज्यादा
70.
दिए थे,
हाँ
बट
70 के
सोलांके
प्लस.
उसमें या
100 मिलियन
एट्रीब्यूट्स के हिसाब
डार्विन
से रहता है.
नूनेस. हाँ 100 मिलियन
भाई
डार्विन नूनेस.
यही प्रॉब्लम है, स्ट्राइकर्स है ही नहीं तो everybody is paying a
बट
premium for
इन
that.
जनरल आई
प्रीमियम
वुड
या.
अग्री कि फर्स्ट 11 हमारा इम्प्रूव हुआ बिकॉज वी वर फेसिंग दैट इशू कि वो
हम्म
लास्ट फाइनल बॉक्स में राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम वाला स्ट्राइकर वाज मिसिंग
हम्म
एंड दिस
yep.
हम्म.
गाय hopefully fits into that criteria. इतना उसका highlights and all I
ठीक
have
है.
seen. So
हम्म.
hopefully that first 11 is there now. But again,
Okay.
if the वो तो last year भी अच्छा ही था. Our first 11 never betrayed us. But as soon as injuries happen, they अंदर खोखला पूरा.
Okay.
तो
So
same similar लग रहा.
injuries was actually a particularly a big factor. Yes, for United, yes, understood, but it was also a big factor for teams like Chelsea and Spurs for a brief period. You did not have your defender Van de Ven,
Van de
Van
right?
de
Ven.
Ven.
Van de Ven was also out. Romero was suspended or out.
बट अभी वो
Bissouma again,
ड्रैगोसिन मिड ईयर में लिया तो
Dragushin,
होपफुली
yeah.
हाँ उसको थोड़ा अच्छा
But
ट्रेन किया है.
again, Dragushin कितना ग्रूम होके कितना डेवलप हुआ है to Ange's system, that is also
भाई
a
रोमानिया में
questionable
तो
thing.
मचा रहा था लौंडा बट
नहीं, वो
होपफुली
बहुत
हाँ.
गलत है देखने के लिए. मचाया तो अमराबाट भी था. मचा तो अमराबाट भी था. ठीक है ना? एक क्लिप दिखा के जो गधा बनाया ना यूनाइटेड फैंस को, स्ट्रक्चर को, मतलब प्रीवियस स्ट्रक्चर को,
Oh भाई,
हैं,
nobody
एक
is
करेक्ट.
more
एक
burnt
क्लिप
than a
भाई,
United fan.
एक क्लिप, ठीक है, एक क्लिप दिखा के
बेचारा.
वो भी मचा था भाई. ही स्टॉप्ड एम्बापे, बस खरीद लिया उसको. मतलब खरीदा नहीं, अच्छा हुआ दिमाग लगा के
करेक्ट.
स्काउटिंग वालों ने बोला कि डोंट बाय हिम, वो था ऑब्लिगेशन टू बाय और समथिंग.
Oh,
So
nice,
we
nice.
did not
Oh,
retain him. तो
nice.
वो ओके,
ऑप्शन
दैट
टू बाय.
टॉपिक इज डिफरेंट.
Hmm.
But yeah, so मैं बोला कि never judge in national teams because the smaller teams actually play a certain way. Ange will
Hmm.
play attacking football.
Hmm.
उसमें वो fit होगा कि नहीं तो वो थोड़ा difficult है to
सही
judge.
बात है.
बट
So
another positive is कि I think with pre-season and everything I'm seeing कि academy के players भी last 1 year में when Ange is here तो basically under
hmm,
19 team has performed really well.
hmm,
Right, they have I think won the PL2 जो भी वो होता है उनका अंडर 19 वाले का.
yeah.
So that is where I think वो लोग भी step up कर सकते हैं. So basically when in hindsight it does not look like कि हमारी टीम improve हुई है, but maybe behind the scenes these young academy
I
graduates coming
really,
up and all those things can actually make the
I wanted to
difference.
ask that actually. Is Ange, do you see Ange as a manager जो कि young players को, are they coming up? मतलब can you name a
Yeah,
couple of players that are
there
actually
is
making the step up?
Mikey Murray and this Will Lancashire, which is the striker. He is also grooming really good. Mikey Murray and Jamie Donnelly.
अच्छा
These
है
three
क्या?
are the really good
ठीक
crop
है,
that is
नेक्स्ट सीजन
coming from.
यूनाइटेड खरीद लेगी, टेंशन मत
But
ले.
pre-season में they have performed really well. Uh,
भाई यूनाइटेड
हाँ,
खरीदेगी तो लीवाई तो अच्छे से टैक्स लेगा, अच्छे से
भाई
बिल्कुल.
लेवी नहीं बेचेगा
लेवी
आसानी
नहीं
से तो.
बेचता. Okay, so that's about the transfers and also your pre-season. Uh, okay, you're not entirely convinced, but I feel towards the end of the window, Ange has mentioned this in one of his statement. I saw that expect more transfer activity from us. That's what he
Okay.
has
That
said.
is all.
Yeah. He has said that. So expect something better.
उम्मीद पे दुनिया कामयाब है
I wish
But
Slot would say that as well.
But looking at your initial games, and let's say a new signing comes late in the window, obviously he will be eligible to play more maybe by after the international break. Okay. So where do you see yourself in the table? Do you see the early games set the right tone for you? Do you what I don't recollect exactly all the fixtures, but if you just check your fixture list, where do you position yourself in the table this season?
Absolutely, I'll position in a UCL spot.
Don't
तो
speak like Jogaker कि मेरा optimistic वाला value ये है
नहीं
and the
ऑप्टिमिस्टिक नहीं, दिस
pessimistic
इज एन
वाला
एक्सपेक्टेशन ना, दिस इज
हाँ
नॉट एन
okay
ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, दिस
okay
इज एन बेसिक
हाँ,
एक्सपेक्टेशन कि भाई अब दूसरा साल है, यू हैव टू एटलीस्ट क्वालिफाई, लास्ट ईयर इतना
for
क्लोज आया ना,
Champions
यू हैव
League
टू
Number,
स्टॉप, यू हैव
number,
टू स्टेप इट
number. कौन सा
number
position?
bro
अप, पेसिमिस्टिकली फोर्थ,
अरे फिर से वही बोला रे भाई
भाई pessimistically बोल
पेसिमिस्टिकली,
रहे minimal 4 बोला लड़का भाई.
ऑप्टिमिस्टिकली नहीं बोला, पेसिमिस्टिकली बोला।
Optimistically winning the league.
हम्म,
ऑप्टिमिस्टिक तो यार मतलब स्काई इज द लिमिट, तो
बात तो सही है.
हाँ,
ठीक है
तो पेसिमिस्टिकली फोर्थ, एंड
तो आपको
अगर
टाइटल दे दो
इंशाल्लाह
पेसिमिस्टिक
और और अगर हुए हमारे साइनिंग्स, एंड आई थिंक मतलब बिहाइंड द सीन्स काम हो ही रहा है, ये प्लेयर्स भी हैं वो भी बेटर होंगे नेक्स्ट सीजन, ऐसा नहीं है कि सेम ही रहेंगे जो लास्ट ईयर थे वैसे ही, दे आर इम्प्रूविंग, तो
yeah.
सही
होपफुली
है.
विल
So
गेट देयर।
you have a
unless someone
pessimistic
is
point of view.
Sancho unless someone is a Sancho
Then
right
so फिर तो.
वो वैसे ही रहेंगे ठीक है
बट आई डोंट थिंक प्री सीजन से जज करना चाहिए, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ आवर प्लेयर्स आर आउटसाइड, एंड मतलब
correct
फर्स्ट टीम
Hmm.
के प्लेयर खेले ही नहीं है मैक्सिमम मैचेस, तो हाउ डू यू जज?
Yep, yep, yep.
so
Nice, nice. We have this
that's nice
pessimistic point of view, right? And we have optimistic point of view as well. So let's
great.
go to a team which has both
So
pessimistic and
you
out.
think Spurs have to make Champions League, and you believe that they should be able to, and Jogaker thinks you are going to finish third.
भाई
So
लास्ट
both
सीजन वो
of you
फ्री
are making
फ्री वाइल्ड
Champions
कार्ड
League.
हो गया है, अभी इस सीजन
Okay,
करने का है।
I still
nice.
feel like we are a
हाँ
CL team. But
And
yeah,
हाँ
I
सीरियस,
want to now come back to you, Rajesh. You know, a team that is supposed to win Premier League by now because Ten Hag is already settled. But you guys already always had last year.
नहीं
I feel like the biggest
प्रेडिक्शंस भी
thing,
वही थे
eh, the
लास्ट
most
ईयर का।
sentences that the most I think words that I've heard from you has been
structure.
structure. Okay, that the structure is this and structure is that and etc etc etc, which I feel like has been addressed quite nicely when Ineos has come in.
Yep.
And
Yep.
I obviously would like to know more from you. How do you feel like how they are probably doing things and how satisfied you are? But I think I'll before you start, I'll have like couple of questions and then you can probably address them one by one.
Yep.
And first thing is obviously how do you feel like the Ineos's control, like after the control that Ineos has taken, how do you feel that things have changed? And do you still feel those deficiencies that you have felt like last year when it came to structure and all? Second thing is
Hmm.
mainly about the. I feel like that out of all of our team, you probably had the best transfer window until now. You have gone and gotten some of the transfer targets that you guys wanted. You have kept out people that you don't want to keep. There has been I don't I would also like to know that downsides that you wanted to do where you just wanted to take the players out. How is that going? Okay, let's go with these two and then maybe I'll go with third.
Yeah, I mean, uh, look, every decision that Ineos have taken and
Hmm.
the entire structure, the entire football leadership, rather,
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't change even a single decision that they've taken. And when I say
Okay.
single decision, not just transfers,
Mm-hmm.
I have mentioned and stressed the word structure because it's the most important thing in a football club. And I know the likes of Real Madrid don't operate something called as the structure. They don't have a DOF, etc., etc.
Mm-hmm.
Even the Barca, the Spanish culture is different because it's
They
not
have Papa
clubs are
Perez
not
and
owned. Their
Bartomeu.
presidents are hired after elections, voting and all.
Hmm.
So let's not delve into that. But here, Premier League is different. It's a very complex business. So uh, structure is very important. That was here. I mean, football people per se. So as soon as they came, I knew that good things will happen, and I
Hmm.
wanted Ineos to take a learned decision
Hmm.
that Tenak को रखना है कि नहीं. There should be no compromise. And even keeping Ten Hag, they have communicated so well. You know,
हम्म
are you aware of this? कि उन्होंने Ten Hag के साथ ट्रांसपेरेंट रखा था इनियोस ने.
ओके
And
ओके
it's I'm not saying rumors.
ओके
Ten Hag has said, I knew Ineos was searching for other candidates,
हम्म
and they arrived at the best one. He said that this is a statement.
ओह
Yes, I was
ओके
aware Ineos were exploring their options because
हम्म
it is their right,
हम्म
and they arrived that they already have the best man. That was his
oh,
statement.
that's a good confidence boost I guess
Yes, because
हम्म
everything was transparent. That's why I
बाकी लोग
said
मना कर दिए ना क्योंकि
वो मना कर दिए कि नहीं, वो तो रूमर्स है, मे बी आ सकते थे, मे बी नहीं आ सकते थे, बट टेनाक रहा बिकॉज ही वॉज इन्फॉर्म्ड. इट वॉज नॉट लाइक वो रूमर से पता चल
पर
रहा था,
क्या
अरे
टेन हाग
हम्म
रहेगा, ये
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन है इस
हम्म
सीजन।
टेनाक रहेगा और ये 100% श्योर है. एवरी आई एम व्हाट आई एम लाइकिंग इज everyone from the Graham Souness of Liverpool to Tim Sherwood of Spurs, etc., etc. Everyone is making the papers for all the wrong, statements that they are making about United and Ten Hag.
हम्म
All the signings that we are making, they're calling delete a lightweight defender, lightweight
राइट,
defender, right?
डिलीट इज इलीट।
So that's all fine, and we are keeping calm. I am keeping my calm because I as a fan know कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं. I as a
हम्म
fan know कि जो लास्ट सीजन हुआ ना,
हम्म
इनियोस ने ये ठान लिया है कि ये जैसे कभी होना ही नहीं चाहिए. ये
हम्म
इंश्योर करने के बाद भी वी स्टिल हैव इंजरीज. लेनी
हम्म
योरो who came in, he's injured.
ऑलरेडी
Yeah, he's already
हाँ,
injured.
आई
A
हर्ड
freak
के
foot injury. It's like 2 months he's going to be out. That's
मुजराज,
why that's why
मुजराई
we
भी हुआ क्या?
ensured. Sorry,
क्या नाम था, मुजरा, मुजराजी,
Mazraoui, Mazraoui
मजरावी,
and delete.
वो भी इंजर्ड हुआ क्या?
No, no,
कुछ तो
he's
मैं
not
न्यूज़
injured.
पढ़ रहा था।
Delete, and that's why
हम्म,
it was our prime objective to get the right defenders at the right
हम्म
time, because
हम्म।
we just could not start the season with less defenders, etc. So
बट वन
we,
बिसाका आल्सो लेफ्ट, राइट? कुछ रिप्लेसमेंट
Van
आया है
Bissaka
उसमें?
left. I'm not entirely happy about that because of the fee. He is
हम्म
probably the best one-on-one defender in the league and
हम्म,
probably in Europe. Best
यू स्पीक
one-on-one.
हाईली ऑफ हिम,
हम्म
यस।
Best one-on-one defender, because the ball may have gone, but the player knows ki aa raha hai tackle, and tackling accuracy is almost close to 99%. He will get the ball off you. तो एक
हम्म
बेस्ट वन ऑन वन एट्रीब्यूट वाले डिफेंडर को यू आर सेलिंग फॉर 15 million pounds doesn't sit
हम्म
right with me. Why couldn't you have him? And ऐसा
हम्म
नहीं है कि he is a bad professional, he sulks and all. He is the best professional in the entire team after Bruno.
ओके
Okay. So didn't sit right with me. And most United fans, if you ask, कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा कि, कोई भी 100% में लिख के देता हूँ, कोई भी तुझे नहीं बोलेगा कि वी आर हैप्पी दैट एरन वन बिसाका लेफ्ट.
हम्म
और हमको और ज्यादा हर्ट होगा इफ माजरावी फेल्स टू परफॉर्म.
हम्म
he has been bought to play position football, to attack, and ये वो qualities if he doesn't exhibit properly, then we are going to cry
भाई
our hearts
पूरा
out.
एएक्स का टीम बनाए रहेंगे पूरा, ये भी यही से आ रहा है ना?
वो रहे, बट नया स्ट्रक्चर, इफ द राइट स्काउटिंग एंड दिस हैज बीन डन, सो दे आर बाइंग. हमको भी वैसे ही
धीरे धीरे
मजे आ
ऐसा
रहे थे कि भाई पूरा डच टीम बना रहा है, पूरा ये बना रहा है, बट लेट्स सी, इफ दे कम गुड देन वी डोंट केयर, राइट? They could come from anywhere.
भाई,
So that's about it. Let's see.
उसको
I mean,
इंग्लिश नहीं आता ना उतना अच्छा, तो शायद
वही तो मार खाता है
ऐसे
भाई,
ऐसे
टेनाक
प्लेयर
इसमें
ला
मार.
रहा है जिसको उसकी बात समझ आए।
हाँ वही
वो भी है भाई.
हो सकता है स्टार्टिंग से फेल्ट लाइक ही जस्ट वांटेड लिटिल
But
बिट
we
मोर
are still not
फेमिलियरिटी
done. मतलब Sancho and Ugarte swap is being touted,
हम्म
and Jorge Mendes is the agent, and Jorge Mendes and United का तो age old रिश्ता है ever since
हम्म
that Cristiano Ronaldo transfer.
हम्म
So Ugarte is the agent of that guy, and he was in London to discuss these deals. So everyone is anticipating a swap between Ugarte and Sancho.
हम्म
बट
PSG ये वाला.
हाउ ऑप्टिमिस्टिक आर यू फॉर दिस सीजन?
Bro, I feel that this time we are going to be the season that pushes for the pushes the
टाइटल,
eventual title contenders. I
हम्म
mean, it could be anyone of you guys or the top six teams, right? It could be Chelsea, Tottenham, anyone. I am saying कि last 2 season, Arsenal were in the conversation, right? The last team
हम्म
actually pushing
हम्म
the eventual
हाँ
winners.
हम्म
I feel, और ये मैं realistically बोल रहा हूँ, not
हम्म
being optimistic.
हम्म
Optimistic तो मैं title बोल दूंगा. But
हम्म
I'm saying realistically, I'm saying we are going to be that
टाइटल
team.
चैलेंजर्स।
Yes, title challengers. You can take it. So मतलब ऑब्वियसली टाइटल चैलेंजर्स बोल रहा हूँ तो पोजीशन इज नंबर 2 रियलिस्टिकली. ओके,
Okay.
तो सिटी बाहर जा रही है कि आर्सेनल, वो समझने की बात है.
बाहर मतलब
क्योंकि यहाँ पे
Second
3
number
लोगों ने
से.
टॉप 4 तो ले लिया
या
है. बाहर
देख,
कौन जा
3
रही
और
है?
4 तो हो गए. बच
और
3
ये
टीम
2 ले
बची
रहा
है.
है, ये 2 ले रहा है, फर्स्ट सिटी को मान लेते.
हाँ,
तो
तो आर्सेनल मतलब
आर्सेनल को बाहर
अरे
कर
हो
देते.
गया ना, आपस में बंट गए ना. मैं 2 बोल रहा हूँ, ये 3 बोल रहा है, तू 4 बोल रहा है,
भाई
बस.
बढ़िया है ना. Like this is
बढ़िया
awesome.
सेट.
Abhay is not on the call today, so he doesn't get to
So
decide. He gets out of the top 4.
officially,
Yes.
guys, Arsenal is out of Champions League. Please
Champions League
make
spot.
sure that you.
Again, as per prediction, we are not learning from our mistakes from past season in terms of prediction.
Completely not. See,
Yes, we are still saying Arsenal बाहर है.
see,
भाई
we are the
अलग
fans.
नफरत
We
है
are going to be
आर्सेनल
biased
से.
completely.
Yes, yes,
Arsenal, we hate Arsenal.
yes. Yo, so let's meet up when our other boys join us. We will obviously get
Yeah.
more insights about United from Manish and Arsenal. We are all waiting, to talk to Abhay Maheshwari about Arsenal, because they also have a lack of transfer activity. Considering how
Hmm.
Arteta spoke, right? We are going to
Hmm.
improve the squad and all.
Hmm.
Uh, I don't see that kind of activity in the
True.
transfer to
True.
justify his statement. So let's see about that. We are going to have a lot of exciting discussions.
Yeah.
So thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed our discussion after a long time. Please subscribe to our channel and keep watching us and
And
supporting us.
Yeah.
comment Arsenal out of UCL.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. We don't paste our subscribe buttons anywhere. It's always down.
Yes.